Hello, welcome back to my channel. If your tripods have different mounting versions like mine, you probably spend extra time mounting and unmounting your cameras to capture that perfect shot or angle. In this video, I'll be reviewing this quick release plate by UTEBIT. Let's do a quick product review. This is the item, so let's open it. Take it out of here. Just by looking at it, the feel of it is a little heavy, solid. Seems like it's made of good quality. It is small, however, it is sturdy. The plate comes with this quick release handle, and this little metal pin on the side will give extra protection to keep the plate secured and prevent it from sliding or getting loose. It comes with a 3/8 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch adapter to adapt to any other tripod heads, and also so basically you can use this with any other equipment that you may have with the 1/4 of an inch or 3/8 of an inch input. The maximum weight that it can hold is 6 pounds, so you have to be mindful when setting up your equipment on this little quick release plate. However, the weight itself of the product is 0.3 pounds, so it's very lightweight, but sturdy. It comes in two pieces, so I'm just going to release the locking mechanism here so you can see it. So it comes in two pieces. So this is the base, this is what goes attached to the tripod by screwing this unit on the tripod, and this is the quick release plate. If you look here on the bottom, it has some directions on how to position it or place it on the camera or the equipment that you're going to be using. The top little opening here, this will be facing the lens, so this is how you will position it or place it on your camera. Also, it has this rubber on top of the plate, so it will protect your camera. And that's about it. It's pretty sturdy. One thing about this is that it's easy to use. All you have to do is just take this little small section, slide it onto this groove here and press down, and that's it. Now this locked automatically, but then this is a manual lock, so you will just push it to the same position as the handle in the upright position, or however you're holding it, but it has to be in the same position to be locked. So now the release plate will not go anywhere. It is secured. So if you're holding your camera or your equipment, so all you have to do is just slide it in, and with the unit or the equipment on top, just press down and it will lock automatically. But of course, the metal pin here, you'll have to switch it manually. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and be well.